Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Busola, and if you're just seeing me for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back once again. I make videos on my faith, fashion, or modest lifestyle, and that includes digital content creation. This is something I have enjoyed for a few years now. I have invested in as well, and I would like to share with people that are just starting out. And be sure to subscribe and also click on that notification bell to be notified anytime I create a video. So now guys, what you can see here is I've changed my outfit and I'm going to be playing different roles, you know, of characters. So there was a person maybe we have in the family that loves music and we're playing the piano over the holidays, and another individual who likes eating or enjoying will just be drinking and enjoying. And I'm also going to play a third role, so you can see just different people where I'm acting as these three people of the same person. Obviously I don't have a twin, so let's get into shooting. So now I'm getting into character. I just got myself and poured myself a drink. You can pour yourself a drink as well at home. But yeah, I'm just gonna pour a drink for props so that it fits the story I'm telling. That's a very important part of storytelling, is to imagine and think of different things in different ways and how it would look at the end of the day. And now I'm going to be the person that sits down and listens to the person playing. So I could just a thought, sit at the edge of the piano and just have my drink, and then we'll see how this pans out. And then I just turn around to make sure I find like the proper pose I'm looking for. So I'm going to go on my phone now, go to the app Snapseed, and then we're going to start editing the pictures in Snapseed. But first things first, I would have to start recording my screen. So I have an app called X Recorder on my phone, and here we're going to start recording. So we're going to go to Snapseed, and okay, this is already one I already did, but now let's just go to recent and start from the beginning. So the first picture I took was in this outfit. So I have a couple of pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just going to pick one of them. I think I like this one because it just feels very natural. So we're going to pick this one first and start editing. So the first thing we're going to do is there's a tool thing at the bottom. So you press on tools and then you scroll down, and there's double exposure. So we're going to click on double exposure now, and this helps us to be able to add another picture. So here you see there is a picture sign with a plus, so we can go back into our pictures, the recent ones we took, and then pick a second one. See, I already started working on some of the pictures, so you'd see some that are already in my gallery, but let's pick, let's say, this one. And you can see now that there's this transparency there, but what we want to do is we're going to click on the opacity and then increase it to the fullest, so we see this one, the second picture that's overlapping, and here. So and then we take and click on the tick button as well. Sorry, I'm looking down, it's because I'm doing it on my phone, and we're going to see it. So next we go to this thing at the top here, and then we click on it, then we click on view edit, and then you see the double exposure bit here. You click on it, you click on the second icon in the middle, and then we're going to just now like paint over the part where our image appears on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to paint up onto the top just to make sure that if there are like any changes in the lighting and all, it kind of just shows some kind of uniformity. So from here now, we're just going to click the return button. We're going to go to the back, and we are now going to go back to tools again, double exposure. There is a bit where you can add another picture, and here I'm going to pick one of the pictures I took again today that I think would go well with this one, and I think it's probably this one. Yes, but from what I see here, or let's not use this one, let's just double exposure again, add a picture. Let's use one of the recent ones I took. Let me see, this one, but it's still a little far. But what I'm going to do now is, since it's far and it's like a third layer, we're just going to move it forward to just make it look more like close together, not too far away from each other. And here I'm going to now just increase the opacity, and you can see from the picture that the picture is like not sitting properly. But the whole purpose of this is just make sure that you have it looking real, as real as possible. So here I'm just going to say tick, and now we're going to go to this one, view edits, double exposure, and this. So we see that the place where we have the third image isn't showing and we want it to show, so we're going to just paint over it, and we do like so. So here I zoomed in to make sure that I have every part covered and to make sure that it looks good. So now I'm going to zoom out to see the work I have done. Do I like it? Is it good? And yes, it's nice. And now we're going to save it. And we do so by going back and then saving. I used Snapseed to do this. There was no Photoshop used in this video, and it's this easy. Thank you for watching.